All right, number 11. What type of quadrilateral has congruent diagonals? We can go ahead and think about drawing a picture for all of these, but a rectangle will, a square will. If we think about a rhombus here, it's a really poor picture of a rhombus. We can kind of tell that this one right here is a little shorter than that one right there. So they are not congruent. Trapezoid, same thing. I could have a trapezoid that looks like this, and obviously that distance is a lot longer than this distance. So those are both a no. However, an isosceles trapezoid is going to have the same distance, so that one is one. And a kite is not, because one of them is a lot longer than the other. Okay, what type of quadrilateral has diagonals that bisect? Same thing, we're going to have a rectangle and a square again, but then a rhombus will always have 90-degree angles right there. That's one of their properties. The rest of them are a no-go. All right, let's go ahead and look at number 13 here. What is the sum of an interior angle measures of a 17 gun? So first thing we need to do is find, the sum. So our formula for the sum of the interior angles is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So all we're going to do is plug in 17. 17 minus 2 times 180. If I plug that in a calculator, we should end up with 2,700 degrees. Next question has us say the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 12. Find the number of sides of the regular polygon. Or there's a formula that says if we take 360 divided by the number or the angle, we will end up with the number of sides. So all we need to do is go ahead and take 360 and divide that by 12, and we end up with 30 sides. Okay, for this year we didn't get to unit 7, so we're not doing the image problems. So you can go ahead and cross that one out.